Yeah, greeting to all my fans, greeting to all my friends and family. Yeah, the last time we talked about life, Black Life Matters, and up to today, people see the hold that flag, see the holla Black Life Matters. I don't feel like for you. That thing will happen for America, dear. That thing will happen to that our brother, dear. Na very painful scene. Na very disgraceful scene to black. No, e don't tell that they fall our hands. Not be today. Black life really matter. But from my own view, the way the issue they go, may I just talk my view very fast and very easy. If black life matter, but the only way it go really matter, the only way things go change, the only way black go fit sit down for table with other followers, which is white people. The only way black man go stop to be the servant to the serve for them. I get my own idea. And if you ask me what be the idea, if black life matters really, we need to go back to Africa. Now back home, now the confirmation of black life matter go rework. But if we see the America there, they all black life matter, black life matter, black life matter. My brother, wake up to reality. Go back to American history. More just use an only American history. More not use the world history. Because if we use the world history, we'll get to the call they boss people head. None of stuff, but more just use 400 years ago. Where they call pick my papa, pick my mama. They don't say black life matter. Up to today, they don't say black life matter. Many heroes, they don't knock many heroes if it come out. They don't knock them down. They don't say black life matter. Now today, because of this our brother where they kill of reset now that one they all tell say black life matter. My guy, more wake up as black. The only way black life only go matter. Now when all our great blacks in America, all our comedian, all our musician, all our sport artists, all our black in every area need to come out to reality, take their things to Africa. Just as I talk, I say 400 years. It be like long time. It not still be like long time. For a lot of America, the only thing they will think, okay, we are the one go for Africa. They don't remember again whether not the west, now their papa come from, whether not the south their papa come from, I've been at the north or I've been at the east too. They know for real. But one thing wanna put for mind, my guy, people like the Jay-Z, the Arukeli, say Arukeli today now. Watch all the black greats wey don come out for America. They put them down. Now you gonna say, I can't breathe. Not be now. This guy talk that issue, George, without recent. He only put the fire. Because for real, black no dey fit breathe for America, my guy. I been at Jackson. Call all the great black wey don come out. When they use it finish. When you want black, you want to get your own sense, you want to know yourself the way things supposed to be, they go switch it off. So I send this message to all my great black in America. Make una forget whether una no remember whether na the north, I've been at the east, I've been at the south, I've been at the west, una come from again. For our continent. But one thing wanna know, on our continent still there exists. Una continent still remain the strongest continent that cause enviness for this world. So why they try to talk this talks be say people like the Jay-Z, Kelly, Beyonce, Rihanna, begin to name them, but I feel remember the game of 50 Cent to begin to name them, but we are not fit to enter for sport to, but we are not fit remember because we get a lot of great blacks have come out. Make una carry una bag. If Black Lives Matters, now, this is, I believe say this guy issue is an opportunity for you people to carry on our back. You people always welcome to Africa. Anytime una fit touch that soil, it's your soil. You people are always welcome. We need you people awareness. That awareness one I don't get for 400 years for America. We need them to bring that awareness back to our own continent. Come make our continent great. Where white people go sit down for table. We ourselves go sit down for table. Enough is enough. That is my view. All those big blacks we get that awareness since 400 years ago. We then need to come back home. That is the only way white man will look into your face and respect you. As far as you America there, as far as you UK, as far as you Europe, you see they believe Black Lives Matter. With all those rally things go change, my bruh. You need to go to sleep again. Maybe wake up because you are still sleeping. Black Lives Matters. It can never change nothing as far as we blacks remain in Europe shouting a Black Lives Matters, my guy. Enough it change for Europe. Because white and black can never be one. Till that kingdom come. For we black, we no get that problem. We no get that mentality say black and white no fit be one. But white people, they get them very strong. Say we can never be one. We no come from the same lineage. So more stop to deceive ourselves. More we stop to deceive ourselves. Say Black Lives Matters. If we rally for Europe, it go change the government. Where we put there, they go fit change things the way we want them, my guy. I say we need to go to sleep again. More wake up well. Because not be today issue. Not be today issue. I say I don't want to go too far. I just use American history of 400 years ago, my guy. Yo. Things not change, my brother, till today. You know how many great men don't pass out from this Black Lives Matter. So not be this one go make any change. Because you know why change? You know this is that 400 years. Where did they kill us they come? Now because we remain one place, they do the riots. We remain one place, they allow Black Lives Matters. For another man continent, for another man country, we did it, they allow Black Lives Matters. My guy. Not only black, now they do that kind of thing. Now only black, now no get discrimination. So I send this word most especially to my great blacks all over the world. In Caribbean, in UK, in Europe, in America most especially. You people need to come out and rescue we Africans by coming back home, bringing down your awareness to your continent, Africa. That is the only way Black Lives Matter. That is the only way, my guy, you get respect to. I don't want to talk too much, but I just want to drop this issue of this Black Lives Matters. Because the way we take they sing the issue, for many people they make sense. But I don't even still I don't still know why white people come out the fullest rally for this issue of Black Lives Matters. I still ask myself, why white people dey for street there? Wetin be their problem with Black Lives Matter, my guy? Now today we don't do the issue. Now today we don't go through this kind of stress for their own people, and my guy, we don't need them for our side though. I dey talk my own view. We don't need white people for this Black Lives Matter. Let we where they suffer for the issue. Let we where they betray right from time. Let we where they call the slave people. Let we tidying this issue the way we know how to tidy our issue. Just as I talk, the only way from my own view, the only way for we to tie this issue, where white people will see us and respect us by our color, is by we all black going back to African continent and be that continent in with the awareness we will get. So I'll leave my case here. More take one of our great legends or great hero, for example, the life of Akon. The life of Akon, more taken for example, people like the Jay-Z, people like the Arukele, people like the Snoop Dogg, people. Make we, for example, take one more thinking about Akon life. I would say Akon still in America, or Akon can colonize just where the Jay-Z, just where all those men did. By now, I believe say if I not still get level, just the way the Snoop Dogg today, all of them no get level again now. Jay-Z, all of them, they not get level again. No music again now. The money where they make in the music, not be they still hold on. Now white people still hold on. So what do they talk about? What do they try talk about? Moku imitate one guy, Akon. Take our things, our bag back to Africa and really make the Black Lives Matter. God bless all my viewer that is watching me. One love with good style.